I've got Samsung Galaxy A40 and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at first you can slide down the upper bar, slide it twice, and then here you will notice Mobile Hotspot. Simply click on it and just one click will activate this option. Then you can switch it off the same way. But as you can see, there is no SIM card for now. If you would like to open some advanced portable hotspot option, just go to the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then go to the connections, so it's the first tab. Click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. And here, simply by tapping on this switcher, you can activate Mobile Hotspot if you have your SIM card inserted. And you can also personalize it. Just click on Personal Hotspot, then click on this icon, and now you can change the network name. So for example, HardReset. Tap on Save. And then you can also change the password, so simply delete the current one and enter a new one. Just remember that your password must have at least 8 characters. And click on Save. So that's it. This is how you can personalize your mobile hotspot. Now you know where you can find it easily, like in the upper bar, and also you can open it through the settings. So that's it. Now you can share your network with your friends, with some other devices. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.